Hello?
Hi, Alta. I'm calling you from Nedbank Debt Counselling Services. How are you?
Gosh, if you guys can help me to sort out my problem, much better, thank you.
That's fine, ma'am. Debt counselling is what you really need here, and that's what I'm trained to do, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, your name again?
It's Philip.
Yes, Philip.
Basically, we need to just firstly find out your state of mind when it comes to spending, you understand?
Okay, what do you mean?
For instance, if you walk into a shop and you see a can of peaches for 10 Rand and one for 9 Rand, which one do you buy?
Definitely the cheaper one, the 9 Rand one.
The question you need to ask yourself, do you really need the peaches? It's a luxury item. The question you need to ask yourself, what are you doing in the store in the first place?
Well, I suppose if you have to buy food, you need to be in the store.
If you saw a loaf of bread on the shelf for 30 Rand and another loaf of bread for 29 Rand, which one would you buy?
The 29 Rand one.
Now, ma'am, you need to ask yourself a question. Why would you pay 29 Rand for a loaf of bread?
Well, if that's the only ones that's there, I mean, you didn't say there's anything cheaper, then I'd definitely go for the cheaper bread.
Ma'am, you clearly can't help yourself, can you?
Who am I speaking to?
If you were buying an air ticket to Durban, who would you choose to fly, Mango or SAA?
Mango, I suppose.
Yeah, well, ma'am, you know what? You shouldn't be flying when you are in debt. Because, ma'am, think about this. You should rather be walking.
Oh, this has got nothing to do with my problem that I've got with Nedbank at this stage.
Ma'am, that
No,
also...
no, don't you start with me.
You see, we normally have this problem with women in general.
Excuse you, me?
Excuse me or excuse you?
How the hell can you say you've got problems with women?
Because they spend, ma'am.
No, it's not to say that if we're women we spend.
Yeah, you spend a lot, ma'am.
No, crap. That's not true. And you know it's not true. And you're really starting to get me irritated now. Please don't do that. You know, really, this is ridiculous.
Ma'am,
Now, you listen to me. Give me your email address and I'll send you through proof that I've paid.
this is what people always say, is that when they are in debt counselling, they tend to skew the truth a little bit as well.
So you're actually trying to tell me I'm lying to you. No, I'm a liar as well. A lying woman, in other words.
Ma'am, I didn't call you a liar. You called yourself a liar. That was,
No, don't you put words in my mouth,
that
please.
was an admission of guilt.
What do you
there.
want to ask? What do you want to ask me so we can get this over and done with? Please, Flip.
Ma'am, as the saying goes, you can teach a man... no, wait, how does it go?
No, you don't even know, so just come and leave it.
You can teach a man to fish, but you can't go to how to be a sport down. You can teach a man to...
You struggle. Shame.
you can teach a man to... If you fish
Can't you
with
just
a man...
finish?
I'm trying to finish this.
No, you don't need to give me all that crap. It's fine.
If
Just
you-
go on.
if
What's
you-
the next question about the bread? Ask me.
If you fish with a man, then... I don't know. If you catch...
No, not that.
If you teach a man...
Oh, gosh. No, please just stop it.
If you fish with...
Gosh, if you work for Nedbank, where the hell did they get you?
Ma'am,
I couldn't think that you work for Nedbank.
Ma'am, if you eat fish with a man, if one fish...
You know, you're really irritating me now, and you're wasting my bloody time. I've got work to do.
Ma'am, I've got it.
Yes.
There's many fish in the sea. I think that's...
No, thank goodness, and I don't have to sit with you. Gosh, you stupid.
Ma'am?
What's your email address?
Ma'am, you've got
Yeah.
problems. You've got problems.
No, you've got bigger problems than I do. I promise you. I don't think you've got... You need a psychiatrist. You can't cancel a bloody cube of ice, if you ask me. No.
Well,
I've never heard ridiculous things like this in my whole life. You thank goodness I'm not engaged to a guy like you, because I think I would have murdered him a long time ago.
this is how it starts, ma'am, and this is why this counselling is imperative, because I need to stop you before you get to that murder stage.
Get it over and done with. I want to go home now.
Ma'am, you need anger management on top of debt counselling.
Yes, no, definitely I do. After I've spoken to you, I think everybody will need anger management after speaking to you for more than 5 minutes.
Ma'am,
I
just...
think I want to bloody cut off my wrists at this stage.
Oh, so you're on suicide watch too. Ma'am, you are a mountain of problems. Ma'am.